to my channel. This is my very first video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to have a Halloween costume on a budget. I have put together a costume under $20. Can you believe it? I couldn't believe it either. I don't know if you ever heard of the store FiveBelow, but I have one in my area. I got this wig, $5, $4, $1. You see it says it right up there. This I actually got from Target for $2. $3 little eye shimmer. And I'm using some of my own products that I have at home. Lipstick, hairpins, you name it. So let's get started. So you see I have my curly fro. The whole wig situation, you have to just twist it down, make it flat. If you don't feel like corn rolling your hair, bobby pins will work. Do the trick, stick it in there. Voila. Try to get your hair down as flat as possible. So that the wig can just lay on top and, not pucker. Most people do cornrows so that their wig looks flawless. This is Halloween. I'm really not going for flawless. Just trying to get in the spirit so you can get the point. What do they say? Secure the wig. Well, I'm securing the natural. Alrighty. Here's my wig. Throw that head back. Ooh, check me out. Hey. And to reinforce the wig, bobby pin. Stick them in there, any old where. And there's a little trick that I'll show you. In case you don't want to show this part of your natural. I'm not really picky, so I don't care. One more for good measure. All right, look at me. Ooh. Ow. Okay, so here's a trick. Anchor it down a little bit more to feel secure about them edges. Take a piece. Take another piece. Scrunchie or rubber band. And what you do is join it together underneath all the hair near your kitchen and tie it down like a regular ponytail. Okay, so see, look at that. It's flat. Boom. That's the little trick. All right, so now, honestly, this is the easiest part. Boom. Unicorn. You can either do it this way, but I just don't think that's gonna work for me. So I just put it right in front and you get the gist. It's cute little ribbons. Okay. Now for the makeup. This is eye shimmer, or whatever you call it, smoke and mirrors. It's just glitter for eyes. It's like it'll take place of eyeshadow. Just put it on. Try to get all the way to the corner. Just follow your eyelid. And you want it to be seen. You can go as high as up here, but I don't wish to do that. And as for the outfit in terms of like pants, shirt, I'm just gonna be wearing a shirt and some pants, okay? I'm one of those people, you got a good head costume, be comfy down bottom. Now you can, you know, wear a tutu or some white pants or stockings. You're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually putting it on heavy because I really want to show the pink. Ooh. All right, there's that. $3, FiveBelow. All right, we're gonna let that dry. It's actually wet, like wet eyeshadow, so it does need to take time to dry. Let it dry. Okay, in the meantime, we can do our lips. Boom. Ooh. It's actually a super cute costume. It's really stepping outside of myself with the colorful hair, the in-your-face makeup. It's Halloween though. Do what you can't normally do, or what you don't normally do. This goes to like some mystical costume. I'm gonna take the stars and just put them under. One. And if you have like bags, like I currently have, I feel like this is a great way to cover them up by putting these stars under them. Okay, so now I have liquid eyeliner. You don't have to do this, but I just kind of want to give it an even look. top it off with mascara. And like I said, most of the stuff is already in my makeup box. The lipstick, the mascara, the liquid eyeliner, and if you want to add, I'm going to add a little highlighter just in case like I'm out and the lights are popping, like club lights or bar lights, recess light. Yes. Got it. Ooh, you shining, girl. Yes. There we go. Boom. And last but not least, some earrings. You could put pink or whatever like color you want. I can't really leave the house without earrings. I feel naked. I need something. Boom. And there you have it. I'm a unicorn for Halloween. Oh, I forgot. Okay, this unicorn headpiece from FiveBelow came with this tail. It's a tail. And really, you take this part, slip knot it over the back of the belt hoop. Or, like me, toss that and just rock the head. So, in the comments below, tell me what you think. And thank you for watching. I really hope you liked my very first video. Stay tuned for many more. And I still believe in unicorns. Bye.